Every show, subscribe. Here we go. I'm the king. Every show, subscribe. Here we go.
What's up, E-Nation? It's your girl Nikki, and I am back with another video. I'm not in the car, so this is not a vlog, but I just wanted to come on here and let's say what's up. Welcome back to our channel, and I just want to let you guys know that I have a little surprise for y'all. I have a little surprise for y'all, okay? Y'all like my bonnet? Today is Monday. I'm off today, and I was downstairs straightening up. Vince is at work. Denim's in school. I have a guest coming by today. And, oh, hold on, let me turn my music off. It's 9:40. Look at the time. Okay. Yes, it is early. It's 9:40 a.m. and I have company coming over. Surprise. So I will be back with you guys later on. He is back. Y'all know who she is. If y'all true subscriber, E-Nation family, then you would know who she is.
Brittany Wade. I'm the mobile hairstylist braider in Atlanta, Georgia, residing in Stockbridge. I'm here to do some small knotless.
Look, y'all.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I have never had braids that long. This is before.
And
okay.
we about to show the after,
and
baby.
we will show the after. Peace. I'm officially done. Look at that. Yeah. Do y'all see?
I'm flexing, 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 I'm flexing. I'm hot, you're not, pretty Nikki, on the yacht, eating lobster, Miss Mobster, Deep Blaze Boulevard in the chopper, finger waves, licking proper, she flexing, you can't stop her, skin glistening like a diamond, sun is shining, we just vibing all the time.
I love it. It didn't even take that long. How many hours?
It took about, well, we stopped and ate and everything.
We did, right? We did. We chit-chat.
And with the curls, it took about 6 hours.
Yeah.
For Thailand.
It did take about 6 hours. Yeah, we did eat. We took a break. We had coffee. We chit-chat. And, yeah. So, I mean, I love the curls, y'all. Look at the curls.
Yes, the curls is hot. And the baby hair is popping.
And she knows I love my baby hairs. Look at the baby hairs, y'all. Y'all see that? It is popping. Okay. I love it.
I'm glad you love it.
Thank you so much.
You sure are welcome, beautiful.
Oh, she's amazing.
No problem.
I'm going to leave her Instagram, her contact information down below. Be sure to hit her up because she's definitely going to hook you up, okay?
I sure will.
So,
let me know when you're ready.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Many hours later.
I love it, guys. Look at the parts. Isn't the parts nice? Like, she really did a great job. Comment down below, ladies. What do y'all like? Y'all prefer box braids or cornrows? I like box braids because they're versatile. You can put them up in a ponytail, in a bun. And to me, I think they last longer. And then you can actually wash it. When it starts to grow out, like your new growth, you get to wash your scalp. But yeah, so I really like it. She never lets me down. You hear? Who this? Anyway, let me stop playing with y'all. Let me stop playing with y'all. I'm here, man. I made some tea. So I have some ginger, lemon, and honey tea. I'm gonna make this for dinner tonight. Zucchini, moss, and sun-dried tomatoes panini. So this is what I'm making for dinner. HelloFresh. HelloFresh. I'm not gonna film me cooking my entire meal, but I will show you guys the finished look, the finished results when I'm done. All right, so stay tuned. And I love my hair. I do. I love it. It's nice and long, just the way I like it. Jet black. Baby hairs is popping. Look at my baby hairs, y'all. Okay, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Alright guys, I'll be back. The next step is slice the bread in half. Get a medium pan, drizzle some olive oil. Where it says make sauce. In a small bowl, combine the sour cream, parsley, the chives, the remaining garlic powder, salt and pepper, and the mayonnaise. This is how their little seasoning comes. So this is the garlic powder. Garlic powder in there. So here's the parsley. Salt and pepper. Here's some pepper. And here's some salt. That's it. So let me show you guys what it looks like, right? Italian seasoning left over. I'm gonna put it in there too. Why not? Our zucchini. I think I'm pretty much done because all I have to do now is once the zucchini is done and the potatoes is done, I take this sauce right here that I just made, that y'all saw me make. I take that and then I put it on the bread, add some of the sun-dried tomatoes with the zucchini and some cheese and some potatoes on the side, and that's it. So I think I'm going to show you guys the next clip when it's all finished and done in the plate, okay? and sun-dried tomato panini. That's what it looks like, y'all. And here goes mine. Yes, my people. That's mine, and this is Denim's. So I made it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you HelloFresh, and thank you Simply Be Style for hooking a sister up once again. And until next time, we are getting ready to eat, and that's about it. Vince is on his way home. Hopefully he likes what he has for dinner, and he will like it. But until next time, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you once again. Peace and blessings.
Show.